Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate FuboTV streaming service, quick setup step by step clearly. To activate your FuboTV streaming service, start by visiting the official FuboTV website. Click on the Start Free Trial button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information, including your email address and a password. After completing the form, click Continue to proceed. Next, choose your preferred subscription plan from the available options. Review the details and select Continue to move forward. You will now need to enter your payment information to complete the registration. Double-check all entered details for accuracy. Once your payment information is confirmed, click Submit to finalize your account setup. FuboTV will send a confirmation email to your registered email address. Open the email and click on the provided link to verify your account. Now, download the FuboTV app on your preferred device from the App Store. If you're using a smart TV, search for FuboTV in your TV's App Store. Install the app and open it once the download is complete. On the app's main screen, you will see the option to log in. Enter the email and password you registered with to access your account. Follow the on-screen prompts to personalize your viewing experience. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start enjoying FuboTV. Select your favorite shows or sports to begin streaming immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.